Bill Gates expects the current AI bubble to burst, leading to the failure of the majority of today's high-priced technology startups. Many of these companies rely on a shallow strategy. They simply wrap a chatbot interface around existing models like GPT-4 without adding any lasting utility. The true bottleneck of this revolution is no longer the raw power of our chips. It is the human ability to effectively communicate with these systems. If we fail to master this interaction, we risk missing a shift in productivity as significant as the arrival of. This friction stems from communication style bias, the breakdown that occurs when two entities exchange information in incompatible ways. We can map these interactions on a dominant. It ranges from those who are naturally cooperative to those who are highly competitive. We then cross that with sociability. This measures whether someone is disciplined and controlled or easygoing and emotionally. When an aggressive, directive personality clashes with a cautious, reflective one, the result is usually frustration. They are operating on different psychological frequencies. AI. Users provide vague, uncalibrated prompts and then grow frustrated when the machine delivers generic, useless results. We solve this through style flexing, the deliberate act of adjusting how we speak to fit the person receiving the message. In the digital world, style flexing is the core of effective prompt engineering. The RTF framework provides the necessary structure for an effective input. By defining a role, you force the AI to adopt a specific psychological profile. You can turn the machine into a supportive coach or a relentlessly critical editor. Adding a specific task and a clear format removes any remaining ambiguity, anchoring the AI in a precise context. Generating value from AI and more about using psychological frameworks to guide the machine's communication style. While we are currently learning to adapt to the machines, the long-term goal is humanist superintelligence, systems designed to style flex back to us. In a classroom, this looks like an AI tutor that ignores rigid factory models of education to adapt instantly to a child's specific learning speed and emotional needs. In global health, it appears as a portable ultrasound that uses AI to guide an untrained midwife in a remote clinic. The AI interprets complex medical data and speaks to the midwife in her local dialect, identifying high-risk pregnancies before they become emergency. The promise of superintelligence when it succeeds in teaching a child or saving a life, moving beyond the search for raw reasoning power. Historically, a technological 20-year lag before they reach the global south. In agriculture, this delay causes crop devastation, harvests, farmers viral diseases because they lack access to an expert pathologist. A localized AI model on a cheap smartphone can erase this into the farmer's hands. We see a similar acceleration in the effort to eradicate polio. AI-driven campaigns are now tracking outbreaks. Deploying AI as an adaptive public utility offers a way to close gaps in health and food security that have persisted. Looking toward 2026, we see that effective communication carries more weight than pure technical execution. As AI systems, human empathy, values, and vision become our most premium assets. Bill Gates shifts by acting as a perpetual student. This mindset allowed him to navigate the rise of personal computing, and it remains his primary strategy for the transition into AI today. To thrive in this new landscape, we must learn to adapt our communication, apply psychological insight, and use our voices to shape the machines.